Hey, it's Tyler from ActiveBeat, and this week I'm picking up some lemons to make lemon water. Here's the thing, lemon water is one of the best ways to kick off your day in the morning, and I've got 7 reasons why I am waking up to lemon water. Number 7, it promotes hydration. If you already drink a tall glass of water upon waking up, then you're doing great. It can really help you wake up, get your system going, and keep you hydrated. But maybe you find plain old water a tad boring. Okay, that's fair. And that's why you're gonna notch it up and throw some lemon wedges in there. Boom, lemon water. Easy. Take things up a level by squeezing a sliver of lemon into your water and you're set. Number 6, naturally freshens breath. It looks like you might be leaving that store-bought mouthwash on the shelf because lemons are a great natural way to freshen your breath and banish bacteria from your mouth and gums. Squeeze a bit of lemon into your water and rinse your mouth to clear the bacteria that might be kicking around. Just be sure that you thoroughly rinse your mouth out after and clear that citric acid of the lemon to keep it from wearing away your protective tooth enamel. Number 5, enhancing immunity. The vitamin C in lemons is a great immune boosting tactic in the face of colds and flu. Research from the National Institutes of Health links drinking lemon water daily to boosting the effectiveness of the lymphatic system. A daily dose of lemon water will keep the germs and viruses at bay, even as those around you succumb to those seasonal sniffles and sneezes. Number 4, diminishing inflammation. For those who suffer from chronic pain related to inflammation, lemons are a great method to help naturally address how your body uses its defense mechanisms against infection, toxins, or injury. Because lemons decrease uric acid in joints, it can help to prevent chronic acid buildup. Number 3, antibacterial and antiviral benefits. According to studies from Ohio State University, the scent of lemons alone not only improves brain function and mood, this energizing fruit also protects the body from all sorts of flus, colds, and gastrointestinal woes. It's all about those antimicrobial properties that are working to keep you well. Coming up on number 2, lemon water enhances digestion. If your digestive system needs a bit of a tune-up, a daily dose of lemon water can provide the balance you need. Lemon provides natural alkalinity to balance stomach acids, promoting the ability to flush toxins from the digestive tract. Number 1, we've got brain smarts at the top of the list. The potassium and magnesium that lemon delivers supports good brain and nerve health, and it can help improve mental clarity and focus. Our friends at Ohio State University have researched and linked lemon juice and lemon oil aroma to positive physical and emotional effects on the brain, with special thanks to increased norepinephrine from inhaling the scent of lemon. So there you have it, 7 reasons to make lemon water a daily thing. Do you do lemon water? Add your voice in the comments and let us know. We want to hear it. And if you haven't yet, join the ActiveBeat team by subscribing and check out our related videos. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.